2020 can't seem to catch a break. Just when we had a vaccine to beat COVID 19, there seems to be another new variant from the UK around the block, which has the world once again confused and uncertain. Now, the difference between the new variant and the earlier variants is that it is said to be more infectious. And the officials are also concerned about how it is going to impact children. I am Amrita, you are watching TV9 News, and in this video we will be discussing about reopening of schools and how the new variant plays an important role in this decision right here in India. Just a short while ago, I had a brief conversation with Dr. Trupti Gilada, an infectious disease physician based in Mumbai, and this is what she had to tell us.
Can you briefly explain how different it is and why it is different from the earlier variants?
Okay, so like a lot of other viruses, the SARS-CoV-2 or the coronavirus that we had seen emerging early this year, it undergoes a lot of mutations. So many thousands of mutations have already arisen. Okay, but a minority of them are likely to be so important that they change the virus property. This particular mutation did change the viral property in the sense that it made it more likely to attach to the host or the patient's receptors. So that increased the infectivity of the virus. Now,
Okay.
so infectivity only means that earlier, if I, for example, if I cough and there are 10 people around me,
Hmm.
earlier, if only three would contract it, maybe
Hmm.
now seven will contract it. So
Okay.
so the infectivity of the virus is what they say has increased in this newer strain. But
Okay.
does it mean that the people who are getting infected are getting or deaths? That isn't true.
All right. So, yes, it is still inconclusive whether the new mutation is more fatal than the earlier ones or not. But that aside, you know, why are the UK officials so concerned about the children being more infected, just like the adults are? Because earlier, with the earlier variant, children had some sort of immunity against the coronavirus, if not too much, because they were not as affected. But this time around, the UK health officials say that this would put children and adults on the same level playing field with this new variant.
So what happens in children is that they tend to get infected, but they do
Hmm.
not have symptoms. So they will
Oh,
not know that they're carrying the virus, but since they don't know they're carrying the virus, they will keep spreading the virus. Now, with a virus that is known to be more infectious, it is
hmm.
obvious that when children get this, I mean, one, because the virus is more contagious, children are more likely to catch it. And
Hmm.
two, because it's more infectious, they are more likely to spread it to the people around them. Maybe it may be other children or it may be adults.
So currently, in India itself, several states are planning to reopen schools, especially for 10th and 12th standard children, because they have to face board examinations soon. So some states have already done it. Some states are going to start from January 1st. So at this point of time, with the new variant already probably has come to India. With this, uncertainty, is it prudent to reopen schools at this point of time? Also keeping in mind that, the staff members, the teachers who are older and who also come with comorbidities may be at risk.
So there are two or three things that we need to understand. One, like you said, the virus has probably already come to India because this viral strain in the UK was picked up way back in September, and we are like 3 months after that. The second thing is that over this period, they have shown that it definitely isn't more fatal or likely to cause more complications. And third thing is that if this strain is here, it's here. So by just stopping maybe a lockdown or stopping schools, for how long are we going to keep them shut? If the strain is here, it's going to be here for a long time. So what's most important is to rather than panic, it's to understand that as we continue to live with this virus, there will be more and more such mutations that might change the infectivity, that might change the virulence of the virus.
Hmm.
Uh, but what is important to understand is if we keep following what we know really works against the virus, the hand hygiene, very good masking, and physical distancing as much as possible. Whatever the viral strain is, we will be able to protect ourselves.
Like Dr. Trupti Gilada says, it may not be possible to keep the schools closed forever because in the future as well we might see more novel coronavirus variants emerging. They might be less or more dangerous, which only investigation can tell us. But that being said, its impact on the children makes children just on the same level playing field as adults when it comes to this particular variant of the novel coronavirus. Because earlier in the older variants of the novel coronavirus, children were less affected as compared to adults. You can leave your thoughts in the comment section down below about what you think of schools being reopened and the emergence of a new variant of COVID-19 virus. Also like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. Thank you for watching.